Okay, and here's the other air conditioner that I found. This is a Kenmore model 253 780 55 890, and it's a 5500 BTU, and this is practically identical to the what model? What was it? Frigidaire, I believe, that I have upstairs that I found last year or 2 years ago, something like that. And this one is almost also in nearly perfect condition. The front face got knocked off on the way home in the truck, so it's kind of loose, and the one vent is popped out of here. But this one is also, the filter is perfectly clean. And here, this one we have has power saver feature on it, which turns the fan on only when the compressor is running. So let's turn it on low and see what we have for temperature here. We'll let that drop a little bit because it was sitting on the truck bed, so it's kind of hot. Okay, so we're reading about 76 degrees. So let's kick it on and see how it works. And we'll let that drop for a little bit. Okay, so we've had it running for a few minutes here, and temperature has dropped to about 41 degrees and still dropping slowly. So I'd say this one works pretty well also. So there we go, Kenmore 5500 BTU window air conditioner. And the other thing about this one is, I don't know, can't really see in there. But looking through the vents, this one, there is a bunch of crud in there, but it's not like the other one that I have upstairs. It's completely rusted out. Like, the condenser is completely detached from the mounting, and this one doesn't look to be nearly that bad. So there we go.